In primetime news this evening, shorter curfew. Prime Minister announces new hours leading into Labor Day weekend. Reopening. Bars and churches given the green light. And care theft. Robbers target packages being distributed to St. Mary residents under quarantine. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what are your thoughts on the new curfew hours?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.